Hello everybody, welcome back to Rain and Pours. I'm Mitch and today I am testing out my pink and purple color combination. So chances are I've already uploaded the two round ones that I did with this combo, and I'm changing it up just slightly, and I'm just going to do the magentas and omit the purples. So colors I am using today, I will tell you as I'm pouring them down. So we're only using tube paints, and I have nothing against the pigments at the moment. I'm just wanting to go back to basics, get the technique down perfect before I fly up to Brisbane, and helping Shelee teach her amazing sheleeart live event happening on September 28th and 29th of 2024. So if tickets are still available, please check them out. We would love to see you there. So I'm just spinning this out slightly, so I'm going for negative space with this. So I'm going to blow out everything really gently, try and keep some petals in the bloom. Okay, colors I'm going to use. I want the yellow in the middle, so I'm going to use golden diarylide yellow. Then I'm going to do Atelier Brilliant Magenta, followed by Triart Quinacridone Magenta, then Triart Quinacridone Violet. And we're going to keep this one nice and simple. I don't think I want to put any Payne's Grey on this one. Let's just keep it simple with these four colors and a white cell activator. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to use my straw this time because we've got some really nice delicate bits in here. Okay, just trying to open up some cells in the middle. And let's give this a little spin. So I am going to just push some pillow paint out to the edges so it doesn't roll over itself. Okay. I'm going to try and make sure everything is centered. Definitely not centered. I'm not doing a great job. So let me just move it that way. There we go. So now I'm spinning from the center of the bloom. Just trying to get that paint right to the edge. I am going to pour some more pillow paint on the edges here. So I get complete coverage, because otherwise your paint will dry textured, which you do not want. Okay. It's harder with square pieces or rectangular pieces because when you're spinning, everything wants to go outwards in a circle. And it's very hard to get to the corners. So I'm not a fan of that white spot right in the edge of the magenta. So what I'm going to do is grab the end of a paintbrush, and I'm just going to dip it in the magenta. This is a trick I learned from Lisa, and we're just going to dab it on. and make it a little bit less obvious. So I'm going to go with the, well, that was the quinacridone violet, I should say. This one is the quinacridone magenta. Okay, that doesn't look so conspicuous now. Looks like it was always there. Cool. Big spin to get all the paint off now. Get everything to the corners, edges. Just a tiny bit more here. That needs to be covered. So a little bit more pillow. Perfect. And a little bit of pillow on this edge. And now I can give it a really good spin. I think we're going to definitely keep some negative space on this one. I'm pretty happy with that, people. What do you think? Keeping it nice and simple with 4 colours. So we use the diarylide yellow, TriArt quinacridone violet, TriArt quinacridone magenta, and Atelier brilliant magenta. Now the Atelier brilliant magenta is an opaque colour, so it will block out a little bit of colour from underneath, but it lends itself to really nicely to this bloom. I'm very happy with that. Tell me what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe if you enjoy what I'm doing here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Here's a little close-up of this little beauty that I just poured. Super awesome cells. That diarylide yellow is quickly becoming my favourite yellow to use. I used to really like Matisse cadmium yellow, but this one is taking the cake. Look how beautifully those colours blend. Super happy with this. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.